In this video, I'll show you how you can connect a Namecheap domain to your Wix website for free. Now, usually you would have to pay for the Wix plan and pay money to connect your Namecheap domain to Wix, but I'll show you a little hack which can get around that and how you can connect it for free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into Namecheap. In fact, I'm already logged in here. And what you want to do, you want to go to your domain list, and you first need to find the domain that you may or may not already have that you want to redirect to your Wix website. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to just choose this one here, getfusioncache.com. So once you've found your domain, go to manage, and you should then be in the back end of your domain. Now, what you can do here is you can scroll down and make sure your name servers are on Namecheap Basic DNS. And what you can actually do is you can redirect this domain to your Wix website without having to pay for any Wix plan. Now, this isn't going to be a perfect solution if you want to start ranking in Google, but if you just want your Namecheap domain to redirect to your Wix website, you can do that for free without paying for any Wix plan. If you're just new to Wix, you're new to setting up your business and you don't really mind. So what you need to do, you need to go to your Wix Editor, go to publish, and just wait for your website to be published here, and you should be given a URL from Wix. So once your website is public, you should have a URL here which you can go ahead and copy. So just go to view site and then just go ahead and copy that URL. Now once you've got this URL copied, we can now go to Namecheap. You can go back into your backend, and you won't have this. I've already done this for a previous video. So what you'll have is a blank section here. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add a redirect, and you want to go ahead and add your source URL. So whatever your domain is, my domain is getfusioncache.com. So you want to go and add www.yourdomain and then .com, or if your domain is a .net, whatever your domain is, and then go and paste in your link that we've just copied from our Wix website. Then we can click on Save Changes. Now we need to do this one more time. So you've done www. in your domain. Now you just want to do yourdomain.com. So for me, that's getfusioncache.com. And then again, paste in the same link. Now we've covered all bases. So if someone goes to www.getfusioncache.com, it's going to redirect them to my Wix website. If they go to getfusioncache.com, it's also going to redirect. And now, hopefully, it should be all sorted. It might take around 5 to 10 minutes. But hopefully, when we go to Get Fusion Cache, we'll just try it now, it should then redirect us to our Wix website for free. So we'll click enter, and there we go. It's now took us to our Wix website, and that's all you've got to do. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one.